Welcome to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you are new, welcome. On this platform, I share with you opportunities where you can apply remotely and work. We are on our way to our first 100 subscribers, so please do me a favor, take a moment and subscribe. Well, without much waste of your time, let's jump onto today's company. So the first thing that you want to do is come on to Google, type in Automattic with double T. So this information will pull through. So what we're gonna do just now is just go through a summary of what the company is all about. So Automattic is an American global distributed company which was founded in August 2005 and is the most notable for WordPress.com as well as its contributions to WordPress. So as you can see, guys, the company is headquartered in San Francisco, California, USA, and then currently as of May 2022, it's employing 2,029 people. So the next thing that you want to do is obviously come and open the website in a different tab. And then as you can see, this is the website. It's quite very simple. As you can see as well, these are some of the companies that they've worked with. You see your WordPress, Tumblr, Day One, WordPress. So they are quite involved, as mentioned earlier on, especially on the WordPress side of things. So what you want to do as well is you want to go on the About section just for you to see more information with regards to what this company is all about. So as you can see, you can read through. We proudly dedicate 5% of your time to open source WordPress project. So for those of you who are into website development and all that, you know what WordPress is. As you can see where we are, so pretty much they are about employees from almost every corner of the world. As you can see, they've got in Canada, North America, that's South America, in Africa, in Europe, Asia, and all that, and also Australia. So it's quite a diverse company, almost with employees working from all over. Then the next thing that you want to do is come here to work with us. You click on it and then the next page will populate just now. So as you can see, those are the jobs. So we hire technical and non-technical talent in countries all over the world, currently in more than 100 countries. So that's quite a lot. And then how we work. This isn't your typical work from home job. Learn more about the culture, our creed, and life as an automatician. Right. So the benefits: professional growth, open vacancy policy, generous parental leaves, wellness, support, sabbaticals, and many more. So just go through this whole information. As you can see how we work, go through that information, the value, and then the next steps, right? So they've got different openings or different departments that they require people to work in. So there's engineering, design, sales and development, marketing, customer experience and technical support, business operations. So as an example, let's say you choose marketing, right? You simply click on it, and then so you will need to complete this form. You fill in your first name, last name, email, phone number, location, and then you attach your CV, and then you select according to what best suits you, and then you can obviously, as you can see, there is a lot of sub categories under the marketing division. So you obviously select the one that you want to apply for. And then how did you hear about us? So you can write on YouTube, right? Or you can just write Cyber Cash Money. And then can you tell us more about the option you selected above? So you would write all that information there as well, and then you link in your LinkedIn here, and then you submit your application. Well guys, let me know if you are going to be applying at this company. Well, just before I let you go, this other day I created another video showcasing another opportunity where you can apply and work remotely. If you are interested in seeing that opportunity, the video to that opportunity, it will just pop pop up now, and I'll also leave the link to that video in the description box below. Well guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now. Remember to subscribe.